Welcome to Practice English Slowly.
Part 6. Weekends and Free Time. Weekends are special for me because they are my time to rest, recharge, and enjoy life. I usually wake up a little later on weekends, around 8 or 8:30 a.m. I don't like to sleep until noon because I feel like I waste the day, but I definitely enjoy not setting an alarm and waking up naturally. It feels so nice to start the day slowly without any rush. My weekend mornings are very relaxed. I make a big breakfast, something I don't have time for during the week. I love making pancakes with honey or maple syrup. Sometimes I cook scrambled eggs with cheese and vegetables. I also prepare fresh orange juice or a smoothie. Breakfast on weekends feels like a small celebration for me. I usually listen to my favorite playlist while cooking. After breakfast, I like to spend some time on my hobbies. I enjoy painting, drawing, and sometimes writing short stories. Creativity makes me feel alive. I often sit near the window with a cup of coffee, put on some soft music, and just start drawing whatever comes to my mind. It could be flowers, a cityscape, or just abstract colors. Sometimes I go out for a walk or a small trip. If the weather is nice, I love visiting a nearby park or going to a cafe with a book. I have a favorite cafe in my neighborhood where they serve the best cappuccino and carrot cake. I often take my notebook with me, write some ideas, or just people watch. Weekends are also the time when I see my friends. We often meet for lunch or dinner. Sometimes we go shopping, watch a new movie, or just sit in a park and chat for hours. I really value these moments because spending time with friends always makes me happy. We share stories, laugh a lot, and forget about stress. On Saturdays, I sometimes do a bit of cleaning at home. I put on some energetic music and clean my apartment, dusting, vacuuming, and organizing things. It doesn't take too long, but I feel so much better when everything is clean and fresh. Sundays are my self-care days. I like to take a long, relaxing bath with candles and soft music. I might do a face mask or just spend time reading in my bathrobe. I think it's important to give yourself these little moments of care and love. In the evenings, I often cook something special on weekends. It might be homemade pizza, pasta with seafood, or a big salad with different toppings. Cooking something delicious makes the evening cozy. If I don't feel like cooking, I sometimes order sushi or try a new restaurant with my friends. Before going to bed on Sunday, I like to plan my week. I write down my tasks, appointments, and goals for the next few days. It helps me feel ready and confident for Monday. Thank you for spending this time with me. I really enjoyed sharing my story. I hope you have a wonderful day. And maybe you'll take one of my ideas to make your own life better. Bye for now.